Our Level 3 NVQ package is designed for those who are looking to gain their Level 3 NVQ in electrical installation and will allow you to develop the knowledge and skills required to become an electrician. This package is made up of a combination of hands-on, in-centre training alongside online learning that can be completed at home, in your own time and at your own pace. The package comprises of 4 stages, each one specifically designed to develop your practical skills and deepen your understanding, allowing you to progress and successfully achieve your Level 3 NVQ in electrical installations. Starting with our domestic installer course, you will learn the core skills and knowledge and qualifications that will enable you to become a domestic installer, as well as preparing you for the next stages. You will then go on to complete the Level 2 2365 Diploma, followed by the Level 3, both of which will introduce new areas of study as well as further developing your existing skills and knowledge. After completing both diplomas, you can then start to complete your Level 3 NVQ. All of the unit credits from the Level 2 and Level 3 diplomas can be transferred into the NVQ and complete the theory side of the qualification, leaving you with the personal evidence portfolio to build and put together. This electrical training package is your pathway to joining a competent person scheme or applying for your ECS Gold Card. For more information, please refer to our course page or give us a call so we can answer any further questions you may have.